welcome back if you're new here. What? And a few other things. So much dog hair, dust everywhere. I'm gonna be doing a freaking amazing haul. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a gigantic freaking haul that I did over the course of the holidays. Yes, I know this is late. I've been holding this box of makeup and a bunch of goodies here in my closet for the longest time, which like the moment I put it down, a bunch of dog hair flew everywhere. Excuses all the clawing that's happening. That's my dog. She loves to walk around when I'm actually filming. These things I got during the holidays, but a lot of these things are actually new as well that I've recently purchased. There's a lot of TikTok viral stuff on here. Before we get started, please take one quick moment to subscribe down below if you haven't done so. I promise it's worth it. Maybe not. And if you like the video, don't forget to leave the video a like, and let's just go ahead and get started. Let's get started with the things that are most recent, these viral freaking TikTok things. By the way, I recently got a TikTok. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys wanna follow me there. The first thing that I bought was this mascara, the Sky High. Obviously, this is like the biggest viral thing that's happening. I have used this only once. I'm not gonna lie, it does clump up your lashes. These girls on TikTok want to show their lashes and they're like, oh, I got this mascara, look at my lashes. I mean, I don't know what to say about this. It's a mascara. All right, next thing that I got recently that I have not tried is this L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder. I heard this is a miracle. I've seen so many videos on this and I can't wait to try it. I personally love the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear and also the concealer as well. So I'm really excited to try this. My all-time favorite powder foundation used to be the MAC Studio Fix Plus foundation. That was always my ultimate favorite one, but I'm super excited to try this out. It's cute, it looks like this. Why am I smelling it? So another thing that I recently purchased at the drugstore is this e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I've heard so many good things about this. I've seen my favorite gurus doing try-ons with this, so I can't wait to try this out. Ow. I like pinched myself here trying to take a dog hair out and it just looks like a mustache. Great. My all-time favorite tinted moisturizer is the ColourPop, so I want to see how it compares with the ColourPop one. It just has like a little pump and I'm super excited to try that out. This I recently got. This is not anything that's viral. This is just a repurchase of mine. It's my favorite all-time wing liner. This is the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Liquid Eyeliner. It's honestly my staple in my collection. I always will repurchase this. This reminds me so much of the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Incredible. And it's only like $4. Something else that I recently purchased, the NYX Bear With Me Prime and Set Setting Mist. It's a prime, set, refresh, a multitasking spray. So you can use this to spritz after your makeup or just to refresh or even during your makeup. I can't wait to try this out. This is also a recent purchase of mine. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Definer. So it's like a little brow pencil and it just has like a little spoolie on that side. I always love these. I think I purchased this a while back and I never repurchased it again, but I'm gonna give it a chance again. I think those are it for my recent purchases. So let's move on to the stuff that I got over the holidays. Things that I really freaking didn't need, but there was so much sale going on and I'm just like, ugh, let me spend my money. I did get a bunch of brushes. Why did I get a bunch of brushes for? I have no idea. It's just pointless. Anyways, I'm excited to share with you because after I'm done with this unboxing, I'm finally gonna be able to use these brushes. The first one that I got was this BH Cosmetics 12-piece brush set, and it comes with a really cute little brush holder. So let's open her up. This is my first time trying out BH Cosmetics brushes, so I'm super excited. They have some really nice ones. Ooh, looks like this. Look at the color. Oh my God, it looks so elegant. Ah, just like I look right now. And it comes with this gorgeous little oh my God, this is so pretty. Look how beautiful, and it's glittery. I love glitter so much, and I love like stars and all that kind of stuff, and this is so pretty. We have it looks like a highlighter kind of brush. It's not heavy, it's lightweight, like the Morphe ones. And then this one, ooh, I like how it comes with this little packaging here. Look at that extra care. I love that it's pointed. I feel like you could really do some nice powder with this, even some contour. Ooh, these brushes are freaking soft. This one is the number 5 brush. I don't know what I would use this for. I think you could probably pack on some eyeshadow type of stuff with that. This one here is the number 3 brush. And this is probably really good for like blush. A little pinched, I don't know what pinches, but that's kind of cute. A pencil brush. Really nice. You could really get down in there, and I feel like these are like partly synthetic. These are definitely not like goat hair or anything. A number 6 brush, which is like another blender kind of a brush. brush, but it's just a slightly more feathery than the other one. This one's probably good for something. Like, why did I buy so many brushes? God knows why. Another one that looks similar to the first one. I feel like this may be like a perfect highlighting brush. This is a fan brush that I never use. Does anybody ever use them? I just don't know what the hell I would do with this. And then a big gigantic powder brush. Look at that. Soft. So that's it for brush kit number 1, and it comes with a beautiful glittery festivity here. Second brush kit that I got from BH Cosmetics. This was a 10-piece brush set, and this one also comes with a brush holder with the BH logo on it. You see how pretty that is? Look at these brushes. Look how pretty they are. Let's open them up. I think these are more higher quality than the other one. Ooh, these smell new. All right. They smell like the factory. All the people out there who love the color pink, you're probably gonna be obsessed with this. Oh my goodness, look at the color. Why do I keep going like this? Definitely these feel like higher quality. This is a brush number 2. This is so nice to buff out foundation all over your face. Very, very soft. Look at the color, how beautiful is that? This is brush number 3. Another one that's really, really good to get underneath your eyes. If you wanna do some powder here. This is brush number 1. Probably use this one more for foundation. This has like a tapered side. Brush number 4. I think maybe this could probably be used for spot concealing, maybe to contour the nose. Brush number 5. This one here. Probably really good for concealer underneath the eyes. Brush number 8. Look, this is a little bit more of a like a stippling kind of a brush. Maybe this is probably good to like highlight the nose, you know? Yes. The number 7 brush. Very nicely tapered. I think this is really, really good if you want to get in there and blend out that transition area. Number 6 is a flat brush. It's really nice, so you can get in there and start applying cream shadows or something. So that completes brush number 2. Look how beautiful it is. They're very affordable and they're very, very pretty. They have all types of brush kits. This one I got for like $12, and look how many brushes I brought. Obsessed. The next brush kit that I got, this is the Jeffree Star Morphe brush collection. It comes with a really cute pouch like this. It's pink, it's cute, and it was on sale. This was like probably $10. It comes with all of these brushes here. The last brush kit that I got, this one is a Morphe, I think Ziegler or something like that. Maddie Ziegler, I have no idea. Morphe something. It comes with a cute little pouch. This was probably like $6, and look how many brushes I got. These are just really nice. They're soft. Look how pretty. Okay, these are cute. I don't want to get into this one. This one's not as exciting. Last part of brushes. This is the Morphe E4. This is literally my favorite blush brush in the existence of humanity. This will apply your blush so like heavenly. This one is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill highlighting brush. Looks like perfect for highlighting. Even though I got like 20 highlighting brushes, I love white and the silver to die for. I got this Morphe Jaclyn Hill big as hell brush, JH01. Look at this monster thing. Look at that. It's like almost my weight. I just love the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brushes. Like, they're so beautiful. I love the silver and I love the white, and I love that it has like the JH symbol here. I think this will be so perfect for the under eye. I could see myself using this over and over again because look how beautiful they are. I mean, come on. It's the aesthetic. That's all we're here for. We're done with brushes. I got a few setting sprays. This one is the Morphe setting spray, but this is the holiday collection vibe, and this one smells like heaven. It smells like a perfume on your face. It does the same thing as the continuous setting spray. I love it. Another setting spray that I got that I actually don't really like, I've used it one time. I know, I cheated. I know. I got this Beauty Bakery setting spray with this sponge. I don't like the mister. Well, let's try it. Oh, no, that mister is hardcore. Maybe if I spray from an angle, let's see. Oh my God, no way. This will mess up your makeup. I have to see this prayer, hold on. The prayer of a sweets lover. Now I lay my brush to beat. I pray this play is one to keep. I put in trust with you, my grace, to help me keep my cake face. Sorry, I won't be keeping any cake face with this. If only the mister was finer. Moving on. I've already opened it. It came in a kit, but I was just so excited to open it. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Holiday Collection Kit. It went on sale in the Ulta website for $20. I got all of these. They are so freaking stunning. Look at that gloss. This one's like a perfect nude. This one is the most beautiful peachy nude. And then these two are also glosses. And then this one's like another matte color. Perfect nude collection. I actually did recently purchase this as well. I completely forgot that this was down here in my box. The NYX Marshmellow Primer. I'm excited to try this out. I want to see what the hell the hype is about with this thing. It's like a marshmallow. I don't know. This is the Flour Better Not Bitter Bakery like setting powder. It's cute, right? Okay, so this is a lash applicator. It has the Morphe symbol and it's really cute. Go in there and apply my falsies. I also got the lash curler. I also got this one. It's like a mini lash curler. You apply your lashes and you want to make sure that they're adhered to your lash line. I think this will probably do a good job of that. I got this one from BH Cosmetics. This is a glitter eyeshadow. Comes in a pot. Like that. Ooh, that's really pretty. Put a little bronze moment in your eyelids. I think that's kind of cute, especially for the summer now coming up. Can't wait for the summer, you guys. Oh my god, this is actually really pretty. Diamond Dazzler's Loose Foil Pigment. So I also got this Morphe gel liner in the color Ivy League. It's like a green gel liner. Let's open it up. Ooh, man, I messed it up already. Look at that, I already dug my freaking nail in there. Ooh, that's really pretty actually. Look how pretty it is. It's like dirty as hell. Finally, I got 3 lipsticks from BH Cosmetics. It's a liquid lipstick in the color Genie. Ooh, this is a hot pink. Ooh, like a muted, perfect baby doll pink. I got this one also from BH Cosmetics. This is more of a neutral in the color Sorbet. Really, really cute, light peachy-ish nude. They swatch like they're like sorbet-ish kind of. They're like matte liquid, but they're like creamy. Very beautiful spring color. The last item that I got is another lipstick from BH Cosmetics. This one's called Seduction. Cute packaging. And it just pops up like this. It's a beautiful dark color. I love these for a date night. Ooh, that's really nice. It's very creamy and nice. All right, guys, that completes my haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a like. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.